Today's question is, how do you use the Layers panel? This is the Creative Crafters Podcast. Hi, I'm Bette from Bette's Makes, and this is your questions answered. Now, that is a really good question because there are many parts to how you can use the Layers panel. Now, to start, you probably want to have a few objects on your canvas, and just throw a couple of hearts up there and you will see them listed in the Layers panel. Now, one of the best uses here for the Layers panel is being able to identify exactly what you have on the canvas. For example, if you just had one heart shape on the canvas and you selected that heart, you would see in the Layers panel, Heart, Basic Cut. If you put two hearts together and united them, you would see Unite, Basic Cut, and a couple of hearts below to show what it's all about. If you subtracted them, you would see Subtract and the two hearts. Now, the best thing with the Layers panel on the side is when you have something you're working with is to rename what you're working with. So for the heart example we gave, if we just double click on the word heart, you could do Basic Cut Heart, and you would know what it is. You could even give dimensions, say 2 by 2, and that way you would know exactly what it is when it comes to the Layers panel. For the Unite one, you could put together, you could put two hearts united, and that would give a description for that. Now, you can do that for every object that you have on the screen, and that's an important use of the Layers panel. Now, there are other things that you can do as well. For example, I gave you the idea you could take two hearts and subtract one from the other. If you looked in your Layers panel, you would see Subtract, Basic Cut, and then two hearts below. Well, at the bottom of the Layers panel, you will find a Combine menu. If you clicked on the arrow there, you can click on Merge Layers, and now you have a Merge Basic Cut that's going to show at the top. Once again, all you need to double click it is, and you can just call it Merged Hearts. What you want to do with, of course, the Layers panel is make sure that you label everything, because every little piece and bit that you are working with will be listed there. Now, one last thing you might think about, you'll see the word Merged Hearts now. You can take it, it becomes green, and you can drag it anywhere you want. So you can make it part of another shape. You can take it and drag it up and down. That's just replacing the arrange, but you can do it right in the Layers panel. So that's a bit of an overview. I sure hope this is going to help you. This has been the Creative Crafters Podcast and your questions answered.